Yeah, you 40 people out there, listen to me, alright? Even though you're gone, I would cherish what you did. You gave up your time just so you can show me that you're loving you. Truly care about me, didn't care what your parents said, cause love was as strong as I can feel in you. Never giving up on us, always holding us together even though I'm not. And I'm sorry that I'm kinda rough on us, but no matter what, you still the one I love, the one I need forever in my life. Cause you and me were born to be the man and wife. There's no perfect two like us, a million lies and hates. Don't care cause the truth will hurt, and life is too short to keep the pain inside. So now, depends on fate to see if you're my mate. And to be honest, never thought that you cared till this very moment, knowing that you're gone. And now, I'm impaired when the moment you left at dawn, leaving me here all alone, shedding tears, saying prayers every night and day, hoping that one day you return to me just like the old times. And I'm sorry I betrayed you and I left you, not as we promised, but now I know, and I want you back in my life forever.